Consciousness Unveiled, the three key aspects that shape our reality. Consciousness is our bridge to reality, forming the basis of how we experience and interpret the world. Three core aspects, perception, cognition, and intention, are central to shaping our subjective reality. Understanding these elements can help us see how our minds actively construct and interpret our experiences. This understanding can reveal ways to deepen self-awareness and enrich our experience of life. Perception, our window to the world. Perception is the process by which we take in sensory information, sights, sounds, smells, and sensations. We interpret them as meaningful experiences. But perception is not merely passive, it is an active process that involves filtering and organizing sensory data. Our brains select which stimuli to prioritize and interpret, often influenced by factors like past experiences, culture, and emotional states. For instance, if someone has had negative experiences in a particular social setting, they may perceive similar environments as more threatening, even if no actual danger is present. Perception is also deeply affected by cultural influences, which shape how we view symbols, relationships, and social norms. Because perception is influenced by so many factors, what we see as reality is often a filtered version, unique to each individual. Recognizing that our perceptions are selective constructions of the mind helps us understand that our experiences are inherently subjective. 2. Cognition, interpreting and making meaning. Once we perceive information, cognition allows us to analyze and interpret it, giving it meaning and context. Through cognitive processes like reasoning, memory, and learning, we turn sensory input into thoughts, judgments, and beliefs. Cognitive frameworks, shaped by education, cultural values, and personal history, create filters through which we interpret events. For example, a person with a growth mindset might interpret setbacks as opportunities for improvement, while someone with a fixed mindset may view them as personal failures. These interpretations impact our emotions, self-esteem, and reactions to future events. Cognitive biases also play a significant role in shaping our reality. They often reinforce preconceived ideas about ourselves and others. By becoming aware of how cognition influences our worldview, we can challenge limiting beliefs. We can open ourselves to new ways of thinking. 3. Intention, directing our consciousness. Intention is the conscious direction we give to our thoughts, actions, and focus. It allows us to set goals, shape behavior, and navigate life with purpose. Unlike perception and cognition, which are often automatic, intention is a conscious choice. Setting an intention helps us direct our energy and attention toward what we value, influencing both our emotional state and interactions with others. The interplay of perception, cognition, and intention. Together, perception, cognition, and intention form the foundation of consciousness, continuously influencing and shaping each other. Perception determines how we see the world, cognition interprets that perception, and intention guides our response. By cultivating awareness of these three aspects, we can begin to understand how they shape our experiences and take steps to actively influence our reality. In exploring perception, we can question our assumptions. In understanding cognition, we can challenge our biases. And by setting intentions, we can direct our lives with purpose. Consciousness is not simply a state of being, but a process of actively shaping our understanding and experience of life. If you enjoyed learning about the powerful ways perception, cognition, and intention shape our reality, feel free to drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep exploring fascinating insights into consciousness and self-awareness.